I'm excited to try that out. Don't eat it.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. We are very excited to be here because we have a box that we have never tried before. This is the Allure beauty box. This particular box, Sakura's excited. This is one particular box that I have been looking at the spoilers at for literally probably a couple of years. I watch other people's unboxings and I have just never ordered it despite wanting it, but I ordered it this month as a strategy to keep myself from going into TJ Maxx. And you know what? It's worked. I haven't been in there. So this is helpful. So first, Sakura's gonna open it. Okay, so there's a little magazine on top, and I'm sure this has the spoilers in it that tells us what is in there and everything about the products. So Allure is $15 a month. You can either order it from their website, which I will link down below, or you can order it from Amazon, which is what I did. I think that's the easier way, because I didn't know if I wanted to do this every month, and I figured it'd be easier to cancel. She's excited about something. Okay, so let's get right into it. What's our first item? I'm so excited.
Serum.
A serum. We have the Mond Red Energy Recovery Serum. This is obviously not a full size. This is the Blossoming Energy Serum. What is in it? Well, I don't know anything about this. We'll have to look in the let's check her out here. Oh, it comes in a nice little pump. Let's smell it.
Smells like lotion.
I'll have to get more information about this little guy from the magazine because I don't know anything about that, but okay, I like serums.
Mascara.
We got a mascara. And this is obviously a full-size one, which is exciting, and this is one I haven't tried before. Someone tell me, is it Rodial or Rodial? Looks kind of like Rodial to me. This is the Glamo Lash Mascara XXL Extreme Black Lash Maximizer for amplified volume. So I am not going to open this because I already have a few open mascaras and I try not to waste mascara. So, you know, in the future, I'll have a review up on this. I'm just kind of taking the plastic off. Ooh, feels nice. Okay, what else do we have?
Lip gloss.
We have the Floss lip gloss. It's called my new favorite lip gloss. In the color Lax. Go ahead and open up the box. Ooh, it looks pretty. What a pretty color.
I like it.
Let's see if it says anything about peppermint. How about the box?
Mommy, I'm gonna try it on my hand.
Okay.
Ooh, Mom, look, it's a stick.
I don't see anything that mentions any sort of peppermint. It does have fragrance. Smell it. How's it smell?
Delicious.
It smells sweet. Pretty. Oh, yep. That is a happy product. It's a full-size lip gloss. All right, I'm excited to try that out. Don't eat it.
It smells good.
It does smell good, but don't eat it.
What is next?
What else do we have?
We have... I don't know what that is.
It is something from Dr. Botanicals. This is the LM Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. So is this for your face or is it a hand cream? It's a multi-use balm. Okay, so this is a nice size.
Ooh, there's a little thingy on it.
Nice. I like it when things are sealed.
But then sometimes they pop. I can smell it.
Does it smell like lemon?
Yes, it smells like lemon. Very thick.
Well, it's supposed to be like a rescue balm. Ooh.
Super thick.
I like the smell of that lemon cream.
It's very thick.
It's very thick. I will not be putting this on my face, but I will use it as a hand cream. That's cool. I like that. That's very nice. Okay, what else?
Then we have a face mask.
A face mask! This is one from the brand called Lapkos. This is the hyaluronic moisturizing sheet mask.
Mom already has enough of these.
I do have a lot of sheet masks, but I like the hyaluronic acid. That's good. I will use it eventually. Let's check on the expiration date. 2022. We're good.
The last thing is an eye pencil.
An eye pencil? Oh yeah. This is one from Urban Decay. The 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Is the shade called Zero? It must be. Let's open her up. Is it silver or black, do you think? Oh, it's black. Check it. Well, it feels nice and creamy. It is super nice and creamy. I'm excited to try that. I know like these are kind of like a favorite. I've never tried one though. So I'm excited. So this box for $15, I think that's pretty awesome. Let's look at the little magazine. Why don't you grab your calculator? We'll add it all up. Our first item, the Rhodial Mascara, is worth $28. Then the Mond Red Energy Recovery Serum. It says this is $40. Yeah, this is just, the full size is $40. So this is just the deluxe sample. I'm not sure how much to put in for this. Maybe $5, I don't know. Okay, and then we have the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. A full size is $22, but I don't know if this is a full size or not. Okay, well, if this is the full size, it is worth $22. Amazing, a $22 eye pencil. Yikes. The Dr. Botanicals Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. This is worth $14.90. Floss, my new favorite gloss in Lax, is $16. Then this hyaluronic sheet mask is worth $3. Okay, so our total came to $88.90. That's really good for a $15 box. And I thought they had a nice mix of skincare and makeup, although in the future I would like more makeup versus skincare. But this had some stuff in it that I've never tried. In fact, I haven't tried any of these things. And it had some recognizable brands like Urban Decay. So that was awesome. So I'm super happy with this box. What do you think of it?
Yeah, I like it. I like the lip gloss.
Yeah, I know you do. So I don't know if we'll continue getting this every month, but this was a super fun new thing for us to check out. But thank you guys so much for being here with us today. And please like and subscribe if you have not done so already. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.